This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check the internal storage amounts you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the battery and device care category, and in here at the storage field you'll be able to see how much of phone memory you have, which is in my case 128 gigabytes, as well as how much of it occupied and, well, respectively, how much of internal storage you have free. So just like so. In here you can see a more detailed breakdown on each category occupying how much, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.